Welcome back to my channel. Friends, I have this analog timer for the staircase lamp, or we can use with any appliance to give a timed operation. I applied line voltage to the center pin. The line voltage to the center pin. Neutral is connected to the load and neutral is applied to this switch, and the switch second end connected to pin number 1, line to the center pin, and this is the output pin. This line will go to the internal solenoid, and it will go also to the load. You can say it will give an off delay time. If I will set it, we can see it turned on, but now its timer stopped. It starts operation. Sometimes it works normally. Normally it is installed in vertical position. We can see its sound is not good and its behavior is not good. So we will open it, we will see it, what is the problem. Open it, we need this center cut screwdriver. We need this screwdriver, CRVU 2.6. Open its glass window, remove it. Here we have this screw. Now I removed this screw. Using this half cut screwdriver, lift it up, this needle. Now open the cover. Yes, now we removed its cover. Yes, it is here. We can see this gear is broken. This gear is broken from here. This is the reason. Now I will remove this gear. Now I repaired this gear by applying epoxy. How easily I repaired it, you can check in last video. The video number is displayed on the screen. So let's install in the device and let's check it. You can see now it is moving very clearly without any jumping. Before this it was stopping here and it was making jumps, but now there is no jerky move, everything good. We can increase the speed, reaching at the full length. By elapsing time it will open this contact by releasing this contact terminals. Yes, it's okay. Now I will apply power and we will check it. Now when we pressed this push button, the solenoid energized and it pulled this plunger to inside, and now it made connection from this point to this point. When it will become in angle, it will stop because its pendulum will become in this side, unbalancing, but now it is okay. If we will move this weight to the end, it will become more slow. Now it is coming closer. Let's increase its speed. You can see this plunger is moving closer to this lever, and this lever will disengage this switch. The lamp is off now. I hope so you enjoyed this video. If it is good, hit the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching.